Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon delivery date and time for any order. This is incredibly useful when you're waiting for an important package and want to know exactly when it's going to arrive at your doorstep. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. You'll need to enter your credentials to access your order history and tracking information. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the menu bar. Look for the option labeled Returns and Orders and click on it. This section is your hub for everything related to your purchase history and current shipments. Now, although I don't have any active orders at the moment, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you'll see in the next step. When you have orders, the page will display them for you to review. Once the page loads, scroll down to the Your Orders section. By default, Amazon shows you orders from the past 3 months, which makes it easy to find recent purchases without digging through your entire order history. This is where you'll see a list of everything you've ordered recently. Now locate the specific order you want to track. If you have many orders and need help finding the right one, you can use the search bar or apply filters to narrow down your results. This feature is particularly handy during busy shopping seasons when you might have multiple packages on the way. Next to the order you want to check, you'll see a button that says Track Package. Go ahead and click on it. This action takes you to the detailed tracking page for that particular shipment. On the tracking page, you'll immediately see the estimated delivery date and time window displayed prominently. Amazon provides this information based on the shipping method you selected and the carrier's estimated timeline. This gives you a general idea of when to expect your package. For even more detailed tracking information, look for any carrier tracking links such as UPS or USPS. If these links are available, click on them to access real-time updates directly from the shipping carrier. These updates often provide more granular information about your package's current location and status. On the actual delivery day, make sure to check back for additional features. You might see a live map showing your driver's location or an out for delivery status that indicates your package is with the driver and will arrive soon. This precise timing helps you plan your day around the delivery, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to check your Amazon delivery date and time, giving you complete visibility over when your package will arrive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.